Hi and welcome to Yacht. It's cleaning time and we're working on keeping our body even, and that means we are using the left and the right and the left, no matter where your dominant hand is. We're using both hands to do simple tasks and to squeeze in some exercise while we're here in the galley. Now, as you know, at home, on land or on sea, if you're in the kitchen all day, you don't have a whole lot of time to think. It's really go, 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 work, work, work. So when are you going to get the time to exercise? Well, we might as well squeeze in exercise with working simultaneously while we clean, so that we can be healthier, work on our muscles, and keep our mind really sharp. Now, I'm going to show you a great little leg workout, and we're just going to clean these refrigerators, and we're going to do some little bends. I've put the phone down here on the ground so that you can see what I'm going to do, so my head might pop off the top, but you're going to get the idea. All right, let's start. So, space your legs apart a little bit because we're going to come down and give your knees space so that they don't hit. All right, I'm going to use both hands at the same time to hold my rag. All right, here we go. We're going to start on the left-hand corner and we're going to come all the way down. See that? And back up, all the way down. Up, down. Now this is giving us a really, really intense inner thigh workout right now. Feel it in the glutes, feel it in my butt. I can feel it. I can feel it in my legs, I can feel it in my calves. Back up, we have one more section, and down. There we go. Now you can take a little break or you can keep going and do the other 2 or 3 or 4, how many refrigerators and freezers you have in your galley. But this is a great little exercise. I'm already feeling the heat. You might want to do this on a day you don't have on your chef jacket because you're going to sweat. I have this great kitchen mat. It's fantastic. You can do some down dogs on it here in the middle of the day if you have some time to kick out some yoga poses. I find that it really helps with my back and my comfort, my feet, to have these. They're really thick. This one's about that thick. It's a very nice addition to the galley, and it really helps with the longevity of, well, your feet, your legs, your back, your entire body, so that you can keep going day after day and week after week, month after month, right? It's pretty intense in the galley, so any little thing we can do to help out our body, we'll do it. So I'm going to get back to getting the rest of these refrigerators clean, and you can incorporate some fun workouts in your day too while you're hanging out in the kitchen or the galley, at home or at sea or wherever you happen to be. All right? Thanks. I'm Chef Sabrina Breezy Arlotta, bringing little tips from the galley on Yacht to you.
Chef on the yacht, 7 days we play.